What do you make of this massive show strength? It took you 23 hours to reach Chennai. What do you make of this massive show strength?
Our party is cadre-based party. We are very strong. That only shows the huge victory of this trip. I didn't spend any money. None of our leaders, sideline leader, nobody spent money. On their own, our cadres and office bearers, they came to receive our Chinnamma.
And what next for Chinnamma? What next for VK Shashikala?
Now she will, as per doctor's advice, she is taking rest. She will decide on her own about her future activities.
So do you think, are you confident that you will be able to retrieve AIDMK now that VK Shashikala is back? Are you confident?
From the day one, I am 100% confident that we will get back our original AIDMK.
You've been talking about sleeper cells. Now that VK Shashikala is back in Chennai, has any AIDMK minister or MLA got in touch with you? Are you in contact with any of them?
You think that sleeper cell beats only MLAs and ministers? No. Today, Dakshinamurthy, who came to help us, and who are all removed, they are all our people only.
So we are repeatedly hearing this phrase that we will fight this election together. Are you meaning there could be an AIDMK, AMMK merger?
Together means with unity I am meaning. Unity. Our cadres should fight for the election with the unity.
So are you
That
ruling
is
out
the-
a merger, or is there a possibility?
In politics, we cannot tell everything, and we cannot predict also everything. So we have to wait and see.
And one last question, sir. In this election, who is going to be your main challenge? Is it going to be EPS, OPS, or is it going to be DMK?
Our one and only enemy is DMK.
So you are saying EPS and OPS are not...
We never consider them as our enemies.
Okay. That is a very politically significant statement coming.
No. I told you, I never thought them as my political enemies, because you know who are they. And I used to laugh when they act, even yesterday's activities. The day they decided to open the Amma's memorial, and after 5 days, when they hear the 27th, they fixed the date 27th. Why did they fix? And why did they close it once again?
Do you think they're very jittery about VK Shashikala's return?
No, from the day one, the people who has done wrong, they will have that feeling always, I am meaning that only.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you for speaking to us. So that was AMMK General Secretary TTV Dinakaran speaking exclusively to Times Now and saying that, they're extremely confident of retrieving AIDMK. And, he is, of course, saying that, this upcoming elections, it is going to be an interesting political scenario in Tamil Nadu, and also saying that the AIDMK is extremely jittery about the return of VK Shashikala to Chennai. With video journalist Manish, this is Shilpa Nair in Chennai for Times Now.
All right, TTV Dinakaran there talking from Camp Sasikala. In fact, Sasikala received a massive welcome when she returned from Bengaluru to Chennai at her residence this morning. And the usual 6-hour ride from Bengaluru to Chennai actually took a little more than 22 hours for the former Tamil Nadu Chief Minister J. Jayalalitha's close aide, VK Sasikala. Take a look at this report filed by Shilpa earlier.